English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2, fundamentally, uphold, elimination. Fundamentally. Fundamentally is an adverb. C2 learners usually know fundamentally. Fundamentally helps to stress a basic truth. Here are some examples. The report is fundamentally flawed. He can be charming, but he is fundamentally a bully. Although they have similarities, they are fundamentally different. Uphold. Uphold is a verb. C2 learners usually know uphold. To uphold means to confirm or support something that has been questioned. Here are some examples. No court will uphold their claim to the property. The court upholds her rights, but this does not guarantee her safety. The decision was upheld by the European Court of Human Rights. Elimination. Elimination is a noun. C2 learners usually know elimination. Elimination means the complete removal or destruction of something. Here are some examples. The elimination of poverty is a key objective. Many TV reality shows are based on elimination. The story of the elimination of smallpox is an exciting one. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with fundamentally, uphold and elimination. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.